In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp 3.0. As we dive into this topic, I'll guide you through all the essential steps you need to get started with this versatile project management tool. ClickUp 3.0 has been designed with both individuals and teams in mind, offering various features to streamline your tasks and enhance productivity. The first step is to head over to the ClickUp website and sign up for an account. This process is straightforward. Simply provide your email address and create a password. Once you've completed this, you'll have full access to all the basic features available in ClickUp 3.0. Whether you're managing personal projects or leading a team, ClickUp offers flexibility to cater to your requirements. Once you're logged in, you'll want to create a workspace. This is your central hub within ClickUp where you can manage all your tasks and projects. Think of it like a digital office for your projects. Whether you're planning a personal goal or organizing a team's efforts, a well-structured workspace is essential. You can have multiple workspaces if you manage different projects separately, or if you need to create a distinct environment for your personal and professional tasks. If you're collaborating with a team, the next step will be to invite teammates to your workspace. ClickUp makes this easy. You can send invitations directly via email. This collaborative aspect is one of the features that makes ClickUp stand out, allowing everyone involved in a project to stay organized and informed. After setting up your workspace and adding any teammates, the next important step is to create and manage tasks. Tasks are the building blocks of your projects in ClickUp. You can break down your main projects into more manageable parts, assigning tasks to specific team members, setting due dates, and adding task details to keep everything on track. It's helpful to prioritize tasks based on urgency and importance, ensuring that your team can focus on what matters most. Adding context to your tasks is crucial, which brings us to attaching files or comments. ClickUp allows you to attach relevant documents and add comments directly to each task. This feature ensures that everyone involved has the necessary information and can communicate effectively without leaving the platform. By utilizing these features, you reduce the back and forth emails and keep all project-related information in one centralized location. Last but not least, let's talk about a powerful feature in ClickUp 3.0. The new views. These views allow you to track progress and visualize your tasks in a way that suits your preference. From board views to calendar layouts, ClickUp provides diverse options to organize, visualize, and manage your project's progress. By using the new views feature, you can tailor how you keep track of tasks, ensuring you have the most fitting overview of your project's progress, enhancing both understanding and efficiency. There you have it, a quick and seamless way to get started with ClickUp 3.0. And remember, the more you explore and personalize ClickUp, the more productive it can make you and your projects. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tips on maximizing your productivity.